You're looking for a good on-the-go teeth whitener, Laughland. This is so cute. You can take it anywhere. Just throw it in your purse. Good morning. So I have a new product that I want to share with you guys. It is from Laughland. They sent me an on-the-go tooth whitening pen. I'm super excited to try it because my teeth are, I don't want to say they're super yellow, but they're yellow. Whose teeth aren't, you know? And I'm never really able to use teeth whitening stuff, teeth whitening products, because my teeth are sensitive. So when I use it for too long, it usually ends up my teeth hurt. Laughland. They are the first and only teeth whitening company to have 3 different settings. So they have gentle, they have balance, and they have super max. So gentle is for people with super sensitive teeth, balance are for people with medium sensitive teeth, and then super max is for people who want like the strongest effect of this product. I believe the one I have is balance, which should be fine for me. I'm gonna put it on like on the top part, like on this tooth, and then see the difference between the 2 teeth. So you're supposed to put it on your teeth, leave it for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. And look how cute. Like I said, you take it on the go anywhere with you, which is awesome. It says it can take like 30 seconds before the product comes up. So let's see. Okay, now you can see it. Okay. Obviously, don't swallow this. Ooh, do you see that? It looks like it's doing something already. Right back, okay? Let me rinse this off 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So these are the 2 that I did, and these are the 2 that I didn't. I feel like I noticed, this is my first time using it, I feel like I noticed a subtle difference already. So I'm sure the longer I use it, the more I'm gonna notice it. So you'll see me posting throughout to see like befores and afters. I already noticed a little difference. I don't know if I'm being crazy, but I notice it. Definitely check them out. They're super affordable. Like this little pen's only $14. If you're looking for a good on-the-go teeth whitener, Laughland. This is so cute. You can take it anywhere. Just throw it in your purse. And then most people usually have water with them. You just rinse out your mouth. Anyway, I'm going to link it below and then be on the lookout for before and afters when I've used it a little bit longer. Okay, bye.